All right, we're going to be labeling these diagrams of the cells in your packets. So the outside of the cell is the cell membrane. Remember, this allows things in and out of the cell. In the center of the cell, we have the X's. These are DNA or chromosomes. You can use either word. Most of the time, I'll probably just use DNA, but in the event that you want to use chromosomes, you're more than welcome to. Remember that these have the instructions on how to make proteins. This is our nucleus. So our nucleus surrounds the DNA and chromosomes. This squiggly football guy is the mitochondria, and so that's going to turn our sugar into energy. So powerhouse means it's making energy for the cell. Empty space here is cytoplasm. Notice these two structures look really similar. This is the ER, which it's usually really close to the nucleus and has ribosomes on it. So remember, the instructions are here in the DNA. The ribosomes are going to make it, and then the ER is going to fold the proteins. Polka dots are ribosomes, and then this is the Golgi body. I'm not going to ask you to be able to tell the difference between the ER and the Golgi body on a quiz. All right, on a plant cell now, we've got cytoplasm. We have cell membrane. This is the inner part. And then the big vacuole. So remember, plants have this big vacuole to be able to store water. Outside, we have the cell wall. This is going to give support because plants don't have bones. You'll notice on this picture, the ER looks different, but it's still by the nucleus. It still has the polka dots, the ribosomes. So it's the endoplasmic reticulum. We've got the DNA again. This is the nucleus. We did not label the mitochondria. These squiggly little football guys are the mitochondria. The reason I didn't have you label them on here is because they look kind of similar to the chloroplast. So this is a chloroplast, again, because they look so similar. I'm not going to ask you to know the difference between the two on a picture. You still need to know the difference between the two when you write down the definitions. And then lastly, we've got ribosome.